now we are going to discuss about chapter 11 constructions. So for constructions, what are the instruments we need? A scale and compass we need. Now first exercise, scale and compass need. Without protractor, how to construct some degrees? Which are the degrees means? 60 degree, 30 degree, next 15 degree, 120 degree, then next 90 degree, 45 degree, 75 degree, like this some degrees I will going to explain. Now, first I going to explain about the constructor exercise 11.1. First question here, construct an angle without protractor. Construct an angle 60 degree. How to construct 60 degree? We don't use a protractor. Without using protractor, how to construct an angle 60 degree? For verification, you can use the protractor, but construction time protractor we need not want to use. 60 degree construction case, always our convenient radius is 2 centimeter is the convenient radius in this way. First scale, middle of your page keep scale, 0 here's measurement, nothing is there, simply draw a line, line and mark one end as arrow marker. Then here you mark an alphabet, any alphabet you can mark, and mark an alphabet as A. Then from A using compass we using. Here compass using always convenient radius is 2 centimeter is the convenient radius. In your scale, from your scale 2 centimeter, take a measure 2 centimeter, then 0 to 2 centimeter, keep A as center, draw an keep A as center, draw a semicircle. Keep A as center, draw a semicircle. Then again next here, keep O as center, draw a semicircle in this way. 2 centimeter take, 2 centimeter take, and O A as center, draw an arc. Then again don't fold your compass and the cutting point mark an alphabet as any alphabet. A after next alphabet is B. Okay, we can give this ray as OA. Okay, this ray we can mark it as OA, and this semicircle cut our ray OA, cutting point mark an alphabet B. Again don't fold your compass, same 2 centimeter take, B as keep B as center, same 2 centimeter arc draw, B as center, keep B as center, draw 2 centimeter arc. That cut arc and semicircle intersecting point mark an alphabet to C. Then O and C, this O point here, this line intersecting our O, we mark like that. O and C joined with a straight line. O and C joined with the same line, the same this OA ray and O here you can give any alphabet. Here which alphabet T I mark it as. See, OT ray and OA ray look as the same, looking as same way, that not one ray is small, another ray is big. Same looking time, both of them have a same length, that way you want to draw. So you have down to measure OC line passing through the 60 degree of our protractor. See, verification without a protractor. See, you see, O as center, OC line, O and C represent how much measuring time it represent as 60 degree to passing through 60 degree. So this is the 60 degree construction. What are the process we doing? First we draw a line, mark as O and A, and one side mark it an arrow marker. Then keep O as center, 2 centimeter radius take inner compass, O as center, draw a semicircle, semicircle cutting a OA line, cutting point mark an alphabet to B. Then B from B to again one more 2, so don't fold your compass. B as center, another second arc draw on same semicircle. That arc in where the arc intersecting the semicircle, that point you mark an alphabet to C. Then O to C joined with a straight line and put arrow mark, straight line draw in the OA line and give name as OT. OT line represent same length only, not one is one ray is small, another ray is big. Both of them have a same length way you can draw. Measurement nothing but just you look it and we can identify they are on the same length or not. We can write. This is the construction of the 60 degree. Next we want to construct a 30 degree. Second question, construct 30 degree. But 30 degree means how much, what we can say, half of 60 become a 30 degree. Half of 60, how to find, draw a, take bisector for the 60 degree, you get a 30 degree measurement. So again, same process. What we want to do, take out a scale, any measurement, no measurement, nothing, just simply draw a line and one arrow mark keep. Here initial point mark an alphabet OA and this extending point mark an alphabet to B. First our aim is to construct a 60 degree. 60 is a half represent 30 degree. Next process what we done here, take 2 centimeter radius and keep O as center, draw a semicircle. So keep O as center, draw a semicircle like this. Keep O as center, draw a semicircle. Semicircle intersecting point mark an alphabet to B. Next process what? Again same radius, that is convenient radius is 2 centimeter. Keep B as center. See B, keep a sharp end of the compass on B. Draw an arc. That arc cutting our semicircle. That part to mark as an C. Then remember OC represent as a which angle? 60 degree. Here we mark 60 degree. Same way here also OC represent as a 60 degree. Same length line we draw. Rays are joining. For identification mark an alphabet to T. Any alphabet, your choice, alphabet, any alphabet. Then this is 60 degree construct. Our question is 30 degree. 30 degree how to draw? Take the bisector. How to take the bisector? Bisector how to take you means B and C distance. B and C distance is how much? B to C distance. B and C distance like this. And the C as center. You draw an arc. Same way keep B as center. Second arc draw. Second. Both arc intersecting point joined with a straight line. These two arc intersecting point joined with this is the perpendicular bisector for the 60 degree. This part represent as how much degree? 30 degree. For identification you can mark it as any alphabet to P. So OP line represent as how much degree? 30 degree. Measurement using protractor and measuring time, you get OP line passing through the 30 degree of your protractor. Not coming means your measurement will become wrong only. So remember, so 30 degree means a half of 60 become a 30 degree. Next construct a 15 degree. How to construct the next question, third question. Construct a 15. Third question, construct an 15 degree. 15 degree means what? Half of 30 degree represent 50 degree. So same process. First we start to construct a 60 degree. Then take a bisector of 60. That bisector represent as 30 degree. 30 degrees bisector represent as how much degree? 15 degree. That is the procedure. So third was the same way. Simply draw a line no measurement, nothing. One line draw. Then here initial point mark it as OA and one side mark an arrow mark. There you mark an alphabet A. Same process. Then keep O as center. How much centimeter we choose? 2 centimeter. O keep as center. Draw a semicircle. Keep O as center. Draw a semicircle. O as center. Draw a semicircle. That semicircle cutting OA line, cutting point mark an alphabet to B. Then again keep B as center, again same centimeter, that is 2 centimeter. Don't fold their compass. Same centimeter, that is 2 centimeter arc draw. Mark an alphabet to C. OC represent as how much degree? 60 degree. Then next step. So 60 degree construction completed. 60 degrees, half comes to 30. Half how to construct? Draw the bisector. How to draw the bisector? B and C distance take. Keep B as center. Draw an arc. Keep B as center. Draw an arc. Same way C as center. Opposite arc. That two arc intersecting point joined. We get a 30 degree measurement. This here mark it as A, here mark T, P, here Q. OQ line represent 30. Our question is how much? 50 degree. 50 degree how to cut? Half of 30. Half of 30 how to take? Here cutting point you can give an alphabet. I mark an alphabet to D. D to B distance take. Then draw the perpendicular D to B distance like this. And B as center. Draw an arc and D as center, opposite arc. D and B distance take. D as center, draw an arc. B as center, opposite arc. Both arc intersecting point joined with a straight line. This line, that means OR line represent as this part. How much degree? 15 degree. O angle ROA represent as 15 degree. QOA represent 30 degree. POA represent as 60 degree. POA is 60 degree. 60 is half represent. Half how to take? Bisector tool. We get a QOA angle. Half of 60 become 30 degree. Then QOA case here D and B distance take. D as center, draw an arc. B as center, opposite arc. Through that arc joined with a line. That line arrow mark keep. So ROA represent required degree. How much? 15 degree. That is the construction for 15 degree. Next, next we construct here 120 degree. How to construct 120 degree? D question or fourth question. Construct 120 degree. How to construct 120 degree? 120 degree means same process. First draw a line, no measurement, nothing. Simply draw a line. Here initial point mark an alphabet O. This side mark an arrow mark. There you mark an alphabet A. Then 2 centimeter semicircle draw. 2 centimeter take and semicircle draw. Take O as center. O as center and a semicircle. O as center 2 centimeter semicircle. OA line intersecting point mark an alphabet to B. Then again B as center. Same radius, that is 2 centimeter radius. Draw an arc or semicircle. That represent as C. Again same, don't fold it. Again C as center. One more arc, 2 centimeter arc draw. That arc represent as D. So remember this OD line represent how much you have doubt means a protractor take and measuring time OD line passing through the 120 degree of your protractor. 120 OD line. OD how to get it? First B as center, draw an arc. Again same measurement, C as center, second arc draw, 2 centimeter. Then cut a semicircle and arc intersecting point, mark an alphabet D. Then from O to D joined with a straight line and arrow mark. So looking at both, here mark it as P means OP and OA. Arms are on the same length, not one is smaller, one is shorter. Both are in the same length. That way you must and should draw the arms. So this OD line or OP line represent as our 120 degree. This measurement represent 120 degree. I hope you can understand how to construct a 120 degree. The next step, 90 degree construction. 90 degree how to construct between 120 and 60. OC is 60 degree. Between OD and OC middle part represent as 90 degree. That means that also easy, only 90 degree construction. Fifth question. Construct 90 degree. Fifth question. Construct 90 degree where it lies between 60 degree and 120 degree middle, which represent 90 degree. That's why first we construct 60 degree, afterwards 120 degree. Both of them distance you take and draw the inside the two arc. Joining the two arc, you get the 90 degree line angle will get in. So same process. First 60 degree. Here also simply draw a line. Mark an alphabet initial point as OA. This side arrow mark extending line that one. Then there mark an alphabet A. The next process, take 2 centimeter, OA center, keep OA center, 2 centimeter semicircle draw, OA center, 2 centimeter semicircle, 2 semicircle, then semicircle intersect OA line, ray, mark an alphabet to B. Then keep B as center, same measure, that is 2 centimeter. Again second arc draw, cutting point, mark an alphabet to C. So OC represents 60. Again one more 2 centimeter take, draw another arc, cut previous here are cutting our 2 centimeter arc. There cutting point, mark an alphabet to D. Then between D and C distance take, keep D as center, see D as center, draw an arc, C as center, of DC distance take, D to C distance take, D as center, draw an arc. Same way keep C as center, draw an arc. These two arc intersecting point, scale use and joining, we get how much degree line? 90 degree. This ray represent as a 90. Once again I repeat, here first we draw simply a line, mark OA and arrow mark keep, that place mark an alphabet A. Next process 2 centimeter radius take in your compass, OA send a semicircle draw, semicircle intersecting OA line, that intersecting point mark an alphabet to B and we take B as center, 2 centimeter radius, take B as center, draw an arc, then OC represent as how much? 60 degree, OC represent as 60 degree, then again C as center, second is 2 centimeter arc where we draw 2 arc on same semicircle, that cutting point mark an alphabet D. Then remember OD represent as how much degree? 120 degree. Remember that OD represent 120 and OC represent 60 degree. Both of them distance take, C and D distance take, D as center, draw an arc. C as center, opposite arc draw. Both intersecting part joined with a straight line. In this way take it. Then arc joining them you get a 90 degree construction. I hope you can. And next 45. 45 means a half of 90. here to here distance take and draw in a 45 degree will get in there. That one next class we can discuss. Up to 90 you learned. Thank you.